Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So if you're living in the UAE, you already know how important your Emirates ID is for accessing government services. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to update your Emirates ID information in the UAE Pass App, the digital gateway to your official documents. So let us go through the steps. First, unlock your phone and open the UAE Pass App. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Google or App Store. Launch the app and sign in with your credentials. If this is your first time, follow the sign-up instructions. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This takes you to your personal details page. Scroll through your profile options and select either My Documents or directly Emirates ID, depending on the version of the app you're using. Here you'll see an option to update your Emirates ID. Tap on it. You may be prompted to enter your new Emirates ID number or scan your updated card using your phone camera. To protect your data, UAE Pass will ask for biometric verification. This could be facial recognition or fingerprint. If more biometrics aren't set up, you'll receive an OTP on your registered phone number. After that, double-check all the information, then hit Submit. The system will sync your new Emirates ID details with the app and government records. This usually takes just a few minutes, but in rare cases, 24 hours. So if your Emirates ID details still show the old info after 24 hours, try clearing the app cache and try relogging into the app. Make sure your new Emirates ID is activated by UAE Federal Authority. For any errors or ID mismatch, contact UAE Pass support through the help section. And that's it. You're now successfully updated in your Emirates ID in the UAE Pass app. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and check our other digital service tutorials. Thank you for watching.